Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question which states that use synthetic division to obtain the quotient and remainder when px, which is this, is divided by this. So we are to use synthetic division to divide this polynomial by this. So now solution. So we'll draw this. So now we'll put, but after this, we will equate this to 0 first. So before we start this, we have to equate the divisor to 0 to get the value that will be placed here. X minus 3 equals to 0. Then we'll take this to the other side. X is equals to 3. So now, since we have found x is equals to 3, we will put this one here. So here will be 3. So here is 3. So now, we'll put all the coefficients of all these x terms here from the highest degree, from the highest power to the lowest power. So the highest power here is 4. So we'll put its coefficient first, followed by the second power, then the third, in decreasing order of power of x variable. If there is no power here, we'll assign it 0. We'll assign the coefficient of that one 0. If there is no x term with a power, like here there is no x cube, so we'll assign it 0, x cube. So any power that is missing, we'll assign 0 coefficient to that x raised the power. So here will be 2. The next one is 0 since there is no x cube. Then minus 10. Then minus 23. Then 6. So now let's begin. This one, we will bring this 2 downward. This 2 will bring it down. Here will be 2. Then we'll find the product. 2 times 3 is what? 6. Then in this one, unlike the long division method, in this synthetic division, we are going to add these terms. In long division, we do subtraction. In this one, we do addition. And we are going to add 0 plus 6 is what? Is 6. Then we'll say 6 times 3 is what? 18. So this plus this is what? That is 18 to become 18 minus 10, which is what? Which is 8. Then 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. So 24 minus 23 is what? We are adding 2 of them together. So when you add them, it will become minus 23 plus 24. Then to become 24 minus 23, which is 1. So 1 times 3 is what? Is 3. 6 plus 3 is what? Is 9. So that's all. We are done with this synthetic division. Now, the last term here will be the remainder. So this one will be the remainder. This one, the next one will be the constant. This one will be attached to x raised to the power of 1. This one will be attached to x raised to the power of 2. This one will be attached to x raised to the power of 3. If there were another one, it will be attached to x raised to the power of 4. So now we can express these two division in terms of this. So 2x, so 2x raised to the power of 4 minus 10x squared minus 23x plus 6 divided by x minus 3 can be expressed in this form, the quotient. So this is the quotient. This one from here is the quotient. So it will be 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 8x plus 1. This is the quotient. So this is now our quotient. plus the remainder divided by what? The divisor, which is x minus 3. Now, so this division can be expressed in terms of this. And if you solve the right hand side of this equation, which is this one, find the LCM. LCM is x minus 3. You multiply it by this, add it to 9, divided by x minus 3. You will get this back. So if you do not get this back, you know that this is not correct. But if you do this, you get this back. So this synthetic division is correct. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email within the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.